Okay, coconut burfi is little more costly for us. So we are because we have to do that. Otherwise they won't give the marks and a lot of things are there. So we have to do, so we have to see the affordability. And next one, cooperation from the participants, where you are going to take, whether you are taking a students or whether you are taking a under 5 children of mother, or you are taking for a teenage, or you are taking adolescent, or you are assessing the teachers those are working, or if you are assessing the nurses knowledge in the hospital side you are working. So depends upon this are all the things we have to assess from the participant. Participant should be cooperate. If the participant is not cooperating with you, so there is no use for conducting the study, because your study won't be get the good result. Understood? Then identifying the problem area and the sources of problem. What are all the sources? How to assess, how to get the problems. Okay, how to get the problems. First one is experience. You are coming through some other way like that. So if it is like that, so we can assess. Next one is nursing literature. You are seeing that so many magazines are coming. You are assessing that how many members they are taking the same problem and they are assessing. So nursing literatures we can see, and theories. We have to see the so many theories. First year you have studied that Roy adaptation theory and Nightingale theory and environmental theory, and so many theories you have studied. So that theories we have to check it. Then next one is a previous research. Previous research, those who are done, and the books are available in the library also. So you can go through that. So that are all the things we can assess. Afterwards only we can do it. Then next one is other sources, that is popular conception, empirical interest and practical need, priority, interest of professionals. What are all the interest of the professionals? So these are all the things we have to see in that while doing the research. Okay, the main sources of problems are experience, nursing literature, theories, previous research. Then other sources are popular conception, empirical interest and practical need, priority and interest of the professionals. So these are all the things when we are doing the study we have to remember. So first one is we are going to see about the experience. Experience is one of the most important point when we are selecting the problem. So experience in the sense, what are all the things we can tell, like experience. In that experience we are having a lot of things, that is the traditions and opinions, and those who are how they are following, and these are all the things will come under the opinions. So then next one is a nursing literature. So if you know that lot of literatures, lot of magazines we are receiving in the library, so you can go through that. In that they have taken the study. So sometimes you can see that some foreign countries also the study is telling like this, that study is telling like that. So these are all the research studies you can go through, and you can tell that these are all the problems we are facing, and from the literature we can select the statement of problem. Okay, then next one is a theory. The theory is a third major source of problems are theoretical system. How we can assess through your second year CET you have studied, that is how to the method of teaching, which method of teaching we are using, so how it will be helpful for the audience as well as those who are participants. The participants, how they are getting the knowledge. So these are all the things we have to assess. Then next one is that the researcher decides the base of the research, like what are all the research problem, inclusion criteria, exclusion criteria. These are all the things you will study later. Okay, so what are all the things we should be remembered. So these are all the things when we learned, so it is easy for you to tell. Understood? So next one is a previous research. Already I said in that previous research what are all the bias was there, and what are all the things they have to be improved, and what are all the things you have to improve, and how to make the classes, how to make the research study to be achieved and getting the good results. Understood? So these are all the things we have to be seeing the sources of problems. Okay, then next one is research can be carried out on any areas such as health services. Okay, so research problem, where and all we have to take it, we can consider. That is first one is health services, problems of organization, staffing, budgeting, evaluating, etc. And clinical practice, one of the study of causes, diagnosis and treatment of disease. Then organization like hospitals, agencies and educational institutions. And fourth one is a community like homes, schools, industries and place of employment. So these are all the things we should be carried out the research. So which are all the areas? Once again I'll tell you, that is a research services. Research services we have to take it in the one is the main thing is health services. So as we are a nurse, so we should understand the health services like problems in the organization, staffing, budgeting, evaluating. And clinical practice, one of the main study to be find out the cause, diagnose, treatment and diseases. And organization like hospitals, agencies and educational institutions. So next one is a community area, home, schools, industries and place of employment. So these are all the areas we have to concentrate on the research. Okay, the statement of problem. Next one is, it's a very important, that is a statement of problem. The statement of problem is a good statement of problem should be serve and guide the researcher in the course of designing the study. Okay, the statement should be identify the key variables of the study, specify the nature of the population being studied and suggest the possibility of empirical testing. Empirical testing, you know that you will study in your statistics, that is we can tell that what else, no, central tendency, chi-square, and these are all the things you can study in the empirical study. Okay, so next one is from the statement, what are all the areas, like declarative studies there and assess descriptive is there. Okay, declarative means you are going to evaluate. Okay, you are declaring, that is I am going to evaluate, that is the anemia is curable, like that. Okay, that is we are calling as a declarative.